So ayun na nga, I went to another clinic here in Myeongdong, this time with a friend, and guess what? Super budget-friendly treatment to, kaya if tipid mode ka, this one is for you. The clinic is called May Clinic. Hanapin nyo na lang sa exit number 6, 3rd floor, same building ng Oliviang, kaya super dali lang niyang hanapin. So I tried the Lara peel. From the word peel, yes girl, may peeling vibes. Pero don't worry, no hapde, no sakit at all. So nilagyan ng LHA solution gamit brush and feeling super chill, para ka lang nasa spa ganun. Perfect to for acne, clogged pores, at exfoliation. Literal na fresh ang skin after. Yung friend ko naman, nag-try siya ng LDM, yung 6 minutes version. So to be honest, okay lang siya. Pero if may budget ka, go for 12 minutes kasi masulit yun. So LDM helps your skin produce collagen and elastin. So more firm and youthful yung look. Kumbaga lifted na, glowing pa, gano'n. So the clinic, ang ganda, sobrang aesthetic and cozy. Mabait din yung mga staff. So if you're going to Myeongdong soon or nandyan ka na, try nyo na din magpa-facial sa May Clinic. Budget-friendly, effective, and Instagrammable clinic.